This week, we're going to be talking about and pre-writing a narrative piece. A personal narrative tells a true story about the author. It uses the words I or me. Let's take a look at our writing model. Topic sentence and detail sentences. The topic sentence tells what all of the sentences are about. Detail sentences tell what happened in order, and the closing sentence gives the story an ending. Library fun. On Sunday, Mom and I went to the children's library. First, we listened to a storyteller. Next, Mom helped me find some books. Last, I was excited to get a library card. I can't wait to go back to the library soon. The topic sentence tells what all the other sentences about how Mom and I went to the children's library. The author and her mother went to the library. The whole rest of this piece of writing is about that topic sentence. So then it tells the details in order. First, they listened to the storyteller, then they found some books, and last, she got a library card. The closing sentence, I can't wait to go back to the library soon, is a great ending to this piece. It shows us that the author is very excited and had a great time at the library. Let's talk about it. What kind of writing is this? And how do you know? What are the jobs of the topic sentence and the detail sentences? What happens first, next, and last? What kind of information do the detail sentences tell? Pause the video and discuss these questions with your learning adult at home. Join me when you're done. This is a personal narrative, and it tells a true story about the writer. We know that because it uses I and me. The topic sentence and detail sentences have very important jobs. Topic sentence tells what all the other sentences are about, and the detail sentences tells what happens in order. First, they listen to the storyteller. Next, they find books and read them. And last, she gets a library card. The detail sentences tell who, what, where, and when, and they point out specific examples. Like, Mom and I. The storyteller. The library. Now it's your turn to think about something that you've done recently, a special class activity. Maybe you put on a play, or maybe you had a special visitor, or maybe you did a very fun science experiment. What makes a great personal narrative is a topic sentence that tells about what all the other sentences are about. Detail sentences that tell what happens in order. Details tell who, what, where, and when. And the last sentence of the story provides a sense of closure and ends the personal narrative. Think about what you might write about. Where were you? Who was there? What happened first, next, and last? Writers organize their personal narrative by telling events in the order that they happened. If you tell events out of order, that can be very confusing to your reader. Telling events in time helps to make sense to your reader. Look at this projectable. Draw pictures of 3 things that you did to get ready for school today. Then, write sentences about what you did to get ready for school. To get ready for school today, I got dressed. I would draw a picture of me getting dressed in the first box. Then, very important, I ate breakfast. And after you eat your breakfast, it's always important to brush your teeth. So I would draw pictures of me getting dressed, me eating breakfast, and me brushing my teeth. Then I would come down and write, first, I got dressed. Next, I ate breakfast. Last, I brushed my teeth. Now it's your turn. Turn in your reader's notebook to page 51. Draw pictures to show what you did to get ready for school today. Your boxes look a little different, but you can still see there are 3 boxes. Show 3 things that you did to get ready for school. Then, write sentences about what you did to get ready for school today. Make sure to tell them in order of sequence so that they make sense to your reader.